Hello everybody, and welcome back again to the Crown Lounge. Today's cocktail of choice is going to be something holier than thou. We're going to make some holy water. It's not going to exercise those demons in you, but it's going to make you feel good if you drink a bunch of them. Anyway, first thing we're going to do, get us a mixing glass. We're going to go 1 ounce of vodka of your choice, as always, but choose wisely. 1 ounce of a light rum. Next, a 1/2 ounce of your Blu Curacao. We're going to do 1 ounce of lemon juice. We're going to do a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Give it a little sweet. Next, I want to stir this really good. I'm going to pour this in a glass of ice. Then I'm going to top it with club soda or tonic, whatever your flavor is. Just give this a little stir in the glass. There you have it. Holy water. Cheers. Can't miss with this. This is a good drink. I don't know what I would change or add or subtract. It's good the way it is. But anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.